do we have the parts to reinstall this on the bottom? Well, let's find out. Well, I think we may have messed up. Come back to this D. D. Small washer. Okay, what we did is we put an O-ring in there. We need to take the O-ring out and put a washer in there. Yeah, see, that would not have worked at all. The O-ring slipped up inside of it. It would have leaked for sure. So here's our small washer. Slide that down in there and get it. There we go. Now we're bottomed out. Okay, screw this back on. There again, we need to tighten all this up. Okay, see, we're tight against the L-nut Ola. Slide that back in there. And I just found out there's two large washers. So they said large washer, so we're going to put the biggest one in there. I don't know. Let me try the other one first. Yeah, it tightens up, and then we'll get up here and we'll get as close to the bottom of the faucet as we can get. There we go. Okay, sorry about that. Now, okay, the other end. So we need thread to thread. So in all of this stuff here, there is no thread to thread. So we're going to have to run back down to Ace Hardware, and we need to get us a short pipe. There we go. Go from here to here. Okay, we're back and we've got the right part. I'm going to take this out so you'll be able to see exactly what it is. Go. 1/4 inch hex nipple LP, and then of course there's the number. We put this on. We have to put it in our faucet first. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now I can't get it out. I knew I should have put that nipple on there first. There it is in there. I'm going to have to get a screwdriver to help get this thing out of there. Ah! Ta-da! And luckily I didn't mess that thing up. Alright, let's see if we can get it through there this time without too much trouble. There we go. One thing I forgot to tell you, when you get through tightening this part up to the sprayer, take this O-ring off, It takes too much pressure to put it in the faucet. This part is going to hook up to this, and it's got to go on there a certain way, because that's what these two fingers here, when you push them together, that releases these little connectors. So when you push it on, I guess you heard that snap in there, you push those together, and it's not easy. It will come off, but you just kind of wiggle it up. So push them together, and then of course you'll be underneath the sink. Hear that snap again. Push them together, pull that off. So now this is the part that has to go on. And now here we're going to use some Teflon tape. And the thing about Teflon tape is that you want to at least get 2 or 3 wraps on the pipe before you put your other piece on there. 1 wrap is okay, 2 wraps is better, 3 wraps means you're not going to have a leak. So you're just kind of making darn sure you don't have any problems, and you want to go the same way that you're going to tighten up your part. And with this plastic now, you want to just hand tighten it. You don't want to use any wrenches or anything, because what will happen is you'll crack it. And you just get it about as tight as you can and call it good. And then we're ready to snap this on there. Just remember to line your release dealy boppers with the hooks over here. You heard that snap in. Okay, so now it works like that. Pull that out. Okay, but now you got one more thing to do. You got this chunk of lead here. Well, it's not lead, but feels like lead. It's pretty heavy. This goes on your pipe, and what this is for, okay, you slide this down, and what this is for is when you pull this up, this is going to stop, because this doesn't need to come out much farther than your sink area. So if it reaches from the right or to the left far enough, then that's good enough. Then you want to make sure this is set there, because if you don't, and you pull this and you don't have this on here, and plus there's another reason why, is so that it'll help pull it back down. When it snaps in, it won't just fall out. So it's easy to pull out, easy to pull in, and that weight helps pull it in. And it also gives you the distance that you need to make it work, which, like I said, it doesn't have to come out very far at all. Once you get that set, then you just tighten up these 2 screws, and then you're back in business. Then you turn your water on, and you're ready to go.